Hi, my name is Daisy, and I am also a marathon designer for C3. So welcome to the marathon task Mystery on the Menu. To give some background information on forensic science, an integral part of crime solving is finding and analyzing evidence. The first step is to isolate the scene and allow a forensics photographer to take a picture to preserve the raw crime scene. Afterwards, each evidence is collected in a bag with gloves on at all times as it allows to prevent cross-contamination between other evidence or other people. The evidence then is sent to different locations for further examination. For example, fingerprints to a fingerprinting lab, bullets to a ballistics lab, and DNA to a DNA testing lab. Your task is to analyze an assortment of evidence to find the culprit. You will conduct an analysis of the footprints, DNA, and the weapon itself by looking at the clues and details.
Hello. My name is Faizan. I am one of the C3 Challenge designers, and today I'll be going over the high school challenge, some of the rules, some of the materials, and the weapon analysis description today. So what exactly are the rules? The rules consist of two major points, one being that each task must be done in succession. So that means the first task, let's say it was the footprint analysis, that will come before the DNA analysis, and you must do it in that order. In terms of the second rule states that external resources may not be used. That means all the materials that are on the list must be the ones that you use in this competition. All necessary information will also be provided.
In the footprint analysis section, you'll be asked to calculate the height of the culprit using their footprint by using a series of numbers that will be given to you in the description. And so you will be given 5 points if you calculate the correct height and 5 points if you eliminate the correct suspect. The DNA analysis section will require you to do 2 subtasks. After getting the DNA from hair, you'll be asked to get the coding strand. Do not worry if you don't know how to do this. As mentioned in the rules, you'll be given all the necessary information to actually complete the task. And so for the coding strands, you'll be given 2 points for getting the correct coding strand. But this includes the directionality, so please include this in your answer. You'll be also given 2 points for eliminating the correct suspect. In total, you'll be able to get 12 points. The second part of this task will require you to decipher a mRNA transcript to get a message. And so you'll be awarded 3 points if you get the correct codon message.
The weapon analysis portion of this challenge is the final portion in this entire challenge, and it is the most vital one. In the weapon analysis portion, you will be required to make an account on Onshape, an online platform to design models of your product. This online platform allows you to use computers to aid you in your design. Computer-aided design is also known as CAD. Engineers use CADing softwares to virtually prototype designs of their final product. It's an effective and cheaper alternative compared to having to build numerous physical ones. It saves material, it saves money, saves a whole lot of things. And it's much easier to edit your designs until you have it the way you want it. And so as the brilliant detective you are solving this case, you will do the same to help find the culprit responsible for kidnapping Annie. You'll be tasked with recreating the tool that was used at the crime scene. Make sure to follow all the requirements of this task carefully. The weapon analysis rubric, you can see that the CAD model in total is worth 30 points. Accurate design and accurate measurements account for 15 points each. For the materials in the high school task, you will need some paper, a pencil, a computer, a calculator, and the recommended materials for this is a computer mouse. Not a living mouse, but a computer mouse.